Today, I'll guide you through the process of adding a captivating background blur effect to your video. This technique is perfect for enhancing the visual appeal of your videos and drawing attention to the subject. Follow these steps and you'll achieve professional-looking results in no time. Step 1. Import your video. Begin by importing your video onto the timeline in CapCut PC. Ensure that the video you want to work with is in place and ready for editing. Step 2. Next, duplicate the video layer. Select the layer, press right-click, and copy video layer. Paste the same layer on the timeline. This creates two identical layers, one on top of the other. This duplication is crucial for creating the background blur effect. Step 3. Auto Cutout. Now select the upper layer. Go to the Cutout option. Look for an Auto Cutout feature. Click on this option to automatically separate the subject from the background. Step 4. Apply the blur effect. It's time to add the blur effect to the background. Select the second layer and look for the Blur in Effects menu, and choose the desired blur effect and drag it on the second layer. Step 5. Adjust blur settings. Once you apply the blur effect, you may need to fine-tune the settings to achieve the desired level of background blur. Experiment with the blur strength or radius until you're satisfied with the result. This step allows you to control the intensity of the blur effect. Congratulations! You successfully added a professional-looking background blur effect to your video. This effect can make your subject stand out and create a visually appealing aesthetic. Make sure to like the video and subscribe our YouTube channel. Now, if you want a complete CapCut tutorial, click on the right video. I will see you guys in the next video.